Hi guys! So a day in my life as a housewife dito sa Amerika na walang trabaho. Pero may pera galing sa asawa at kay Facebook. Charis! So today guys ay manonood tayo ng comedy show ni Gabriel Iglesias or mas kilala siyang Fluffy. So yung ticket ay galing kay Brandy, yung kapatid ni Habi. A Christmas gift niya yun sa amin noong December 2025 at ang show ay April 4, 2026. So ngayon makikita niyo yan yung mga buildings, nagtataas ang buildings kasi nandito kami sa main city sa Atlanta, ang capital ng Georgia, USA. 1 hour yung travel namin. Uy, nasa NCR lang pala ako, oh. Charis. So 1 hour yung travel namin from bahay to bahay ng kapatid ni Habi, and then sila yung magdadrive or yung husband ni Brandy yung magdadrive papunta dito sa Atlanta. So, medyo traffic kasi it is Saturday afternoon. Pero alam nyo guys, yung traffic dito, gumagalaw ng tuloy-tuloy ganyan. Malapit na guys sa State Farm Arena dito sa Atlanta. Medyo napaaga kami ng dating kasi 7 p.m. pa magpapapasok. Pero okay lang kasi pipila pa naman sa labas. First time kong manonood ng comedy show dito sa US kaya naman super excited ako. And thank you kay Brandy kasi binilibre niya kami ng tickets ni Habi. Ayan, ang ganda, ang linis ng kalsada nila dito. Nakapila na kami and yan kami papasok sa gate 2. So let's start na. Ayan, sikat na basketball player. Ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa loob ng arena. Diba ang laki? So ayan guys, start na. Let's enjoy the show.
It's showtime. All right, we were good. Clear. Awesome. That crowd was not real. Let them all be out there in a few minutes. That's what I get for eating healthy. I should have been eating healthy. I should have stuck to what I know. No. God wanted me to talk to Every comic has a beginning. Ladies, me better, but you dude is just an amazing talent and literally bomb for bomb, the best Latino comic working out there, Mr. Gabriel Iglesias. Gabriel Iglesias.
Please welcome Gabriel Iglesias.
Please welcome Gabriel Iglesias. The very funny Gabriel Iglesias. Please welcome Gabriel Iglesias. Please welcome Gabriel Iglesias. Please welcome Gabriel Iglesias. Please welcome the most popular today, Gabriel Iglesias. You're in for a treat. It's Gabriel Iglesias. Mr. Michael Lang. Some of you just went down Martinez Rio. I'm being scolded. You guys are awesome. Please help me welcome back to the stage my friend,
That's all guys, kasi yung ibang parts ng show ay bawal siyang i-record. So yun lang, bye!
Y muchísimas gracias a toda la gente latina que vinieron a verme esta noche. Los quiero un chingo. Gracias. Until next time, ATL.
I don't know. Pauwian na guys. Thank you for watching and thank you Brandy for the free tickets. We love you. Stay safe everyone kung nasaan man kayong dako ng mundo.